Good morning, everyone. What's going on? What's going on? Another day in the markets. Today is Thursday, November 7th, 2019. Let's get it going. So what we see in the market yesterday was relatively flat. SPY actually closed up, obviously, but was relatively flat, continuing with the sentiment on Tuesday. Then obviously pre-market we got a nice run up to that 308, and now actually 309 testing. It's kind of fading out a little bit as we're making this video, but we're looking for another push to the upside. Obviously talks coming out of the US that the China-US trade war, they're going to start kind of pulling back tariffs. So obviously prices are going to probably be pushing up higher across the board sector-wise as well. So we're looking at today probably a bullish sentiment in the street, despite obviously some sell-offs from some earnings, but we're going to get into that right now. We're going to kick it off with our watch list. We got 5 going into today's session. I'm going to kick it off today with BABA. As you see, they obviously pushing up quite high pre-market as well. They're coming up on the overall high from the descending triangle, so it's trading above that level right now. But we're looking for a little bit of a sell-off if these prices hold. So we're gonna obviously wait to see if any pullbacks to that level to mitigate to the downside. But we're gonna be patient with this. Price will maybe push just a little bit in the morning. Probably within the first 30 minutes to an hour, then we're anticipating the fade below VWAP for BABA for today's session. Next up, we got NVDA. They had a solid day yesterday. Obviously, well, in the morning it sold off hard to that 204, and they had that nice bounce. They're obviously pushing higher pre-market with the rest of the market. That being said, we see price pushing up a little bit higher for NVDA. They got a nice kind of strong close. Off that sell-off, obviously going off that news that they're going to be getting into the postal service in the United States. Obviously, you know, that sold off good news yesterday, which was odd to see, but now we found some supports pushing higher. So looking for maybe some filling some of those lost gains from yesterday. So we're looking for prices to push higher for NVDA. Netflix, closed down. I mean, it was pretty much flat, closed green, but flat nonetheless for Netflix. We have a 298 price target. Continue this bullish sentiment for today's session. Again, this is going to be one of those where you want to wait to pull back to the pre-market lows to see if you can risk to the north side. Next up, we got Tesla. Tesla's just defying all odds. They're just cracking it. We got 340 price target. Obviously, that 317 held very, very nicely off yesterday's midday session, about the 12:30, 1 o'clock, breaking off of that flag pattern to the upside, and it ran, I think, like almost 10 points to the close. So, very strong close. Continue that sentiment pre-market. So we're looking for additional price to push higher. Probably going to test the pre-market low of that 327 before it pushes higher to anticipate into the 340 level. Going to wrap it up with Roku. Roku, they had strong earnings actually after last night's close. Guidance beats across the board. However, they did sell off. So looking at this, it could be a good value buy for today. Obviously, that 117.56 was the low from the tap back from August's low when it gapped up. So we're looking to risk off this level to the upside today. Obviously, we're going to wait for this level to hold, but if it tries to test that 117.56 and it holds, then obviously you're going to see a lot of buyers stepping in. So we're going to be a tentative bullish on Roku if these prices hold today to the upside. So we got guys, we got the 5. As always, just be patient with price, be patient with setups, and if you're wrong, exit your position, cut your losses very, very quickly, reevaluate your thesis, and step back in if you're right. If not, learn from your mistakes and move on. So that's it, guys. Any questions, reach out to us. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button not to miss any of our trading videos moving forward. All right, guys, have a good day in the session. Bye. Remember to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our trading videos.